Hallelujah. Yeah, what is up, FPV fam? It's your boy DopeyFPV, and welcome back to my channel. What is up? What is up? So I just got back from Malaysia. I'm back in Singapore right now, and it's a night because I'm going for a night flight. Yeah, but before that, I ripped a bando in Malaysia, man. So stay tuned for that video. It's gonna take a while depending on my level of laziness, because there's a bunch of vlog footage that I have to go through. So video will be out shortly. Having that said, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also tickle my bell so you'll get notified when that video is out. Alright, so what is up tonight? I am at East Coast Park, Road Safety Park, and we're gonna rip, man. So I've been flying a lot at night lately because I have two, not one but two polar cams on my rigs. Yep, I got two quads that are built for night flying, and the polar cam is awesome at night, especially if the place is slightly lit. It's more or less HD, man. It's better than GoPro, it's better than Instago, it's dope. So since I've been flying a lot at night lately, I have decided to name a new segment for my channel, and it will be called One Night Stand. Damn! How smart is that, man? One Night Stand. I'm gonna trademark that. I googled it. There's nothing on it. So I'm the first. You heard it here first. One Night Stand. It's just like one night stand, get it? But it's not, because there's no girls. Sadly, there's only guys. So tonight I'll be meeting Chase, Mr. Flowmaster, and FPVLion, Lionel Tan. We're gonna rip Road Safety Park. They're gonna be featured in this new segment, One Night Stand. So without further ado, I'm gonna get my stuff, go in Road Safety Park, and set up. See you guys inside. Dopey out. Yo, alright guys, welcome back to One Night Stand. As you can see, Road Safety Community Park is right behind me, and I'm waiting for the guys. As usual, I'm the punctual one every time. So while waiting for them, I'm just gonna chill and check this map out behind me. So if you guys haven't seen what this place looks like, it's actually legit a park with mini roads. So if you have an RC car, you can just go around it, and if you have a drone, you can just chase the car around. It's fun. But of course you need the polar cam, because there's no way you can fly here in the morning or in the day, because there's so many soft targets. At night it's a little better, but since it's a Friday night, there's some people in there like sitting around lounging and stuff. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait for the guys. Alright, the boys are here. FPVLion and Flowmaster.
Hey. Oh, this is Flowmaster, man.
Hey, and check out his RC
car, bro.
Damn.
Dude, when are you gonna do your bando video?
Bendo your head, Bendo.
Hey, what the fuck?
Hey, shut up. Out of nowhere. What the fuck?
Go already, yeah?
Huh?
Just come.
Just come lah.
Ah.
Wait. You change bicycle lah?
No, my friend one.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, really, my friend one.
No,
Yeah.
Coming.
Sure, buy
That's your oil
another one,
slick.
No.
How you know you're here?
Just now we just some FPV here.
No, those-
just come only.
Those guys are flying, I think. I saw
Oh.
a quad just now.
Hey, skinny
Yeah,
bro.
sick.
Take one lah. No, I got skinny.
Oh,
Where got skinny?
Bro, sexy already. Sia.
No lah, simple lah.
How many kg you lost already?
Up back already. Now 80.
From?
From 83 down to 78.5. Then now back to 80. Because scared of makan lah sampai.
I got something on my mind. Nowhere else to go. Take me downtown to you. People show me love, but I can't take it. What I said was true. Where we from, you don't know. You will know where we will go. Yeah, I'm here, where are you? There's nothing you can do. We up in here with one thing on my let's leave with something. Then we place this train highway all day. In beats by trade. Then we go and get buzzed, get drunk, get crunk, get fucked up. I am
Night search party. You don't remember where you crashed, ah? Yeah, I can hear it. There? On the roads, yeah?
Thanks.
Nice.
You want to smash anything?
Paying attention on your phone.
That's why no lie, at least you get to witness. Kill so many songs, you think I have a hit list. That's straight where we love your money business. Cause we young and we get money. I wonder why you need to lie. When you see me cry, when you see me shout, when you see me high, when you see me die. Where we from, you don't know. You will know where we will go. Yeah, I'm here, where are you? There's nothing you can do. We up in here with one thing on my let's leave with something. Then we place this train highway all day. In beats by trade. Then we go and get buzzed, get drunk, get crunk, get fucked up. I am SY, no lie, at least you get to witness. Kill so many songs, you think I have a hit list. That's straight where we love your money business. Cause we young and we get money.
Alright, my turn now. Crash. Thankfully, I didn't land on the roof. I did land on the roof, but the props were loose, and I managed to like not disarm and just glide down. I can hear it now. It's all good. It's all good. Part and parcel of the hobby. You see that? Oh shit, these props are done for. Guess I'm gonna call it a night. And I don't know where I'm gonna put the video. It's either gonna be before this or right after this at the end. But either way, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Remember to sub, like, and tickle the bell. This is DopeyFPV's One Night Stand. Till we meet again. Out.